I like it more than the actual waterfall. Okay. With my slippers, anyway, not the best idea. What the? Hello, hello. Where's your skateboard? You don't skate? Follow me on my journey living outside the box. Tibumana. A lot of tourists already before we even entered the waterfall. It was easy to find. Traffic was not too hard. It was cool. Our scooter feels a bit weird, I must say, but I guess it's normal. You don't get the best from the best. It's the rental scooter. Yeah. The most which I liked about Ubud until now is cruising around with a scooter, like seeing all the scenery and all the rice fields and the palm trees and the streets, the temples. That's the best about Ubud until now for me. Okay, now I look cool again. Okay, we can go and check it out.
Yes, swing for you.
Thank you. Oh, we hear the water already. Crazy, yeah? Imagine this is your country and you have this site just casually near your neighborhood. I hope you can hear me with the waterfall in the background. It's pretty nice. You have to have the right timing to come here, otherwise you have a lot of people here. But now, right at this moment, we're lucky. We're standing here since 15 minutes and now it's pretty empty, so you can take some pictures and enjoy it a bit. But yeah, it's a waterfall, not much more and not less. Let's check the next one. Check this out. A bit rubbish, but it's a cool stream with a small cascade. There's a sign when you go down to the waterfall that you should go to the left, and then on the way back we turn to the right. No people here. I like it more. Secret tip outside the box, guys. Alright. Welcome to the Kanto Lampo waterfall. We had to write our name down and register at the beginning. I don't know exactly why, but I guess we will find out. First impression when you walk in, very touristic, like always. But look at this. I love this tropical vibes and this Hawaiian / Balinese music. And these crazy statues. Recycling even. Not too bad, not too bad. A lot of opportunities to get some food, drinks, ice creams or whatever over here. Over here you get the tickets. 40,000 for both. Ah, okay. So it's €2.50 for both, 125 per person. Let's check out the pool and the cave first before we come to the highlight, the waterfall. Okay. more people here than in the other waterfall, but this looks better maintained. Yeah, I like this one. Cool. Much cooler place here than the waterfall before. So Kanto Lampo waterfall, you should visit. That was not too hard. We were able to cross without changing our clothes. I always have to do it the way how you're not supposed to do it. I would like to kick this stamp down, but I guess people will not appreciate it. Okay. My girlfriend is not allowing me. Sorry guys. There in the back is gonna be the waterfall where we're gonna go afterwards. But first, let's check out the cave. Here it's pretty slippery, you have to be careful. Me with my chanclas here, with my slippers. Anyway, not the best idea. See how this guy is crossing. Oh, he lost one shoe already. Bled, right here. Cool. Let's see the cave. Jungle team over here. It's instantly much warmer than down. It's crazy how the water is cooling down. I don't want to know how many people are doing here naked pictures, that they have to write everywhere it's not allowed to make naked pictures. Okay. Seriously? So, this is what we came for. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, but that's the cave. That is very impressive, huh? That looks cool. Now I'm glad that we paid 20k per person to come in here. There's no rubbish and it looks very cool. Check this out. Even an Instagram model. Oh, yeah, that's a very good spot for making pictures actually. Oh.
Where is it? You lost it?
What the fuck? I don't know how waterproof the DJI Mini is. Yeah, that's not so clever. And before already he was holding the bag over the water and slipped away and the stream got him, the current. Poor guy, yeah? I would say we go down now and check the waterfall from down. Let's see how the view from there is. Alright, let's check it out from downstairs. A lot of people in a row waiting for making cool pictures. Around there we crossed before, went up there, and we had a view from up there. Also very crowded, but it's better than the other waterfall we've been before. So there are two spots to make Instagrammable pictures, and I was standing there too long and got convinced I'm gonna go to the smaller spot where I don't have to wait, and I'm gonna do a picture under the waterfall. I'm one of those who are abusing this beautiful scenery to make some beautiful Instagram pictures. Check my page to see how it turned out. Alright, this was Kanto Lampo Waterfall. I enjoyed it. It was pretty nice. I was able to take my swimming shorts and make some pictures. We are driving back to Ubud. What is up? After the waterfalls we decided to make a stop because it's anyway near the waterfalls. The Gianea night market. We are a bit early, like I said, at the night market. They are all starting to prepare. It's 4 o'clock now, but it looks like rain. That's why we came already a bit earlier here. Starts officially at 3 o'clock. We have also some which are already prepared, but they are not all of them. There you see them preparing for the ceremonies to bless the business. Hello. They even have a climbing wall here, but not today. I don't know. Ah, there's a skate park. Let's check out the skate park. That's the place to be. Here you can lend some skates if you forgot yours. Cool, cool. Hello. Terima kasih. Hello, hello. Nice, nice. Very friendly people here, like always. Love it. Where's your skateboard? You don't skate? Why not? Just chilling. Killing.
What are you from?
Germany.
Oh, Germany.
Germany.
You vlog?
YouTube. Yeah, you have your phone here. I can show you.
Yes. Oh, scan kode QR. Oh, ini ingat subscribe. Oh, ingat subscribe ya. Subscribe. What is your name?
Dennis.
Dennis.
Dennis. Subscribe, man. I'm gonna see some videos from Indonesia.
Yeah.
Thank you, mate.
Bye.
See you guys.
Bye.
Thank you. You too, eh? Yeah, nice. They are very interactive. They like social media, and they could speak a bit of English. Not bad, not bad. Oh man, I like this intercultural interactions with the locals. In Spain, in Barcelona, or in Australia, also always went to the skate spots because the people there are pretty open-minded, and it's like a microcosmos. So if you go there and you ask them for a skateboard to do a trick or something, it's easy to get into a talk. But yeah, they were just hanging out there, just chilling there. They were not skating or anything, and I anyway have not the right gear to skate. So yeah, as you see, it's getting very dark, and we have like half an hour or something to get home. I guess we are getting the scooter now, and we're heading home. I hope you enjoyed this day. I'm gonna see you in the next one. What is going on here? That's the afternoon traffic.